Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this wireless mouse from Silvercrest with USB nano receiver with 6 functions for easy operation, adjustable resolution 800, 1200 or 1600 dpi, with a coverage between the mouse and the receiver up to 10 meters, included battery and with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And included, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read, it is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. 2 3A batteries, and the mouse, compact and lightweight. Portable design makes it easy to carry, perfect for travel or remote work setups. Wireless connectivity operates via the 2.4 GHz wireless connection, and there's the receiver, providing a stable and lag-free experience. Plug in at your PC, USB 2 or USB 3, doesn't matter. And of course we need to install in the batteries. I like that you have a storage compartment for the receiver, so you will never lose the receiver. I think they forgot to install one silicone patch here to cover the screw. Okay, maybe it is in the box. Nope. The manual. Oh, there it is. Okay. Things like that are happening. Okay, so there it is, but it doesn't have a glue. Never mind, I will install later and a glue, double tape adhesive, just to hold the silicone pads. And of course it works with most laptops, desktops and other devices. Just plug in the receiver. It fits very well at my hand. Ergonomic design, comfort, allowing prolonged use without hand fatigue, definitely. Durable buttons, scroll wheel. The mouse offers a reliable click lifespan and smooth scrolling. We have the right left button, scrolling. You can press the scrolling button, the DPI button to choose, and the backward and forward button. It is compatible with major operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Ideal for tasks ranging from precise editing to quick navigation. No additional software or drivers required, simply plug in the USB receiver and it's ready to use. And at the bottom we have the on-off switch, optical. Now the cost is about €7, so don't expect too much from this mouse, but let's test it, plug it in and see how it works on my PC. The mouse combines convenience, comfort and performance at an affordable price. Its versatile design and reliable features makes it a practical choice for a wide range of users. With its ergonomic design, precise tracking and reliable wireless connectivity, it's a great companion for work or everyday use, whether you need comfort, efficiency or portability. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews, gadget insights and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and as always, stay connected, stay productive and I'll see you in the next video.